Hey guys, this is Misty 2001,
And this is FC7.
and today we're going to do a little bit different take on the Ruben. We're going to make it a wrap using tortillas. So the ingredients you're going to need are budding corned beef, or any sort of deli corned beef you'd like, tortillas, the grande ones, Swiss cheese,
Thousand Island dressing.
thank you, and sauerkraut.
So here are the ingredients.
Oh yeah, and you're going to need a big bowl because you're going to want to mix your sauerkraut and your Thousand Island dressing together.
Which is what we're doing right now.
Yep.
Let's put that out.
Smush her down.
So you use the whole can?
Yeah, I did. And actually, I only made one tortilla, and it makes way more than one tortilla. So, and again, just kind of eyeball the Thousand Island dressing. I don't really measure stuff.
So we use the large version of the tortillas, right?
Yep, grande.
Yeah. So don't be using like the small one.
Well, you could, but it wouldn't work.
Right.
You know, I almost wonder if you could do this in, like quesadillas too.
Hmm.
That could be another video to come.
Right.
So 2 slices of your Swiss cheese on the bottom of the tortilla. Or, I don't know if that would be considered the top of your tortilla or the bottom. I don't know. On your tortilla. So then you put your Thousand Island and sauerkraut mixture on top of that. And your corned beef. I chose to use budding corned beef because that's what I like. But as I said earlier, you can use any sort of deli corned beef. You might actually even be able to use a corned beef brisket.
Hmm.
I think we were going to try that, but decided not to.
Right. We decided on budding.
Yep. And then one thing I did also want to mention is I'm using a George Foreman grill instead of a panini press or a skillet or a griddle or something like that, just because I kind of wanted an easier way to do it. So when you're heating up the George Foreman grill, and actually I'm going to stop that thought for a moment. This is actually one of my favorite ways to fold it because it looks like a Crunch Wrap Supreme. Not sponsored. Thanks a lot, Taco Bell. Well, thanks for the thought, anyway.
Mm.
So, as you'll see up, like where the 2 lights are for our George Foreman grill, it does still say that it's not hot enough. But if it feels hot to the touch, I mean, don't actually touch it, but if it feels hot when you put your hand down by it, you can easily put it in. I baked, well, can't say baked. I put it on the George Foreman grill for about 2 to 4 minutes. And that's your,
Finished product?
yeah, that's your finished product. So then, that's the inside of it, and man, that looks really good.
Yeah, it looks delicious.
So upon first bite, this was definitely an A+, a definite make again.
Any final thoughts on it?
No, not really. Just that this recipe, well, doing it this way in a tortilla is actually a lot less messy than doing it your traditional way.
Yeah, Rubens are messy if you make them the traditional way.
Yeah, they are.
Alright, so that should just about do it for this video.
Yep, if you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe, and have a great evening, guys.